lived in poverty and hardship. But now the lives of the Hmong people are bright, remembering the party that came to us. From now on we are warm and full, no longer burning our fields, no longer wandering in poverty all our lives. From now on the Hmong live together, the Hmong village rejoices with the sound of the hymn. The Hmong will thank the party forever. Nhoi up to ship, pep move me, kashiap. The life of the Hmong on the mountain is joyful. Swap sieve ye pep move to shiap. Go down we sing on the mountains, remembering the party. Chua tian ye pep move chum ye. For generations the Hmong have suffered hardship. No pep move loop ne bong kevla. But today the Hmong see the light in life. Go noob dang do talk, remembering the day the party arrived. Pep how they shum go. We hold on to words of gratitude, chitoli adaptive. We no longer abandon our fields or homes. Hiaf ni blood tag, running from poverty and wandering. Pep Hmong take loa care. The Hmong come together. Pep Hmong monsoon do tap. Crave the Hmong play the henny. Pep Hmong go down to a chair. The Hmong remember the party through every generation. Slope and mountain pass, the Hmong sing, the sky still shines above. And the Hmong thank the party. For generations we have lived in poverty and hardship.